Hey guys, I'm Bob from Totally Unique Life, and today I'm going to be reviewing this Rutland stove grill and hearth glass cleaner. I live in the White Mountains of New Hampshire, and we're starting to use our wood stove fireplace again this year, since the weather's been getting cold. What happens when you shut down the glass doors at night? Soot and creosote will build on the glass, and so you need to clean it, keep up on it, and clean it on a regular basis every morning after you do shut it down. So let me give you a quick close-up of the glass. So it might be a little bit hard to tell, but you can see that the glass itself has this film of creosote on it. This left side is much worse than this right side, but there's a little bit down here on the right side. So I'm going to use this glass cleaner. As you can see, I'm wearing latex gloves, which is what they recommend. Okay, so step one is to shake the glass cleaner vigorously. Now I'm going to take a damp shop towel and pop the top, pour a little bit of the solution onto the damp towel. I'm going to work it in a little bit. Now I'm going to open up the door. This is the worst side, so I'm going to start with this side. They rub vigorously. I'm going to do one side and then the other side. Okay. I'm going to take the dry shop towel now and just clean it off. You don't want to let it cake on at all. You don't want to let it dry on the surface. That's what the directions say. See all the soot that comes off? Does a really nice job. First time using this glass cleaner. My neighbor told me about it. He runs his wood stove a lot. He actually heats his house exclusively with this wood stove. So that looks pretty clean to me. You can see all the soot that comes off onto the shop towels. So now I'm going to get the other side. But what I want to do is grab another shop towel, another couple, and I'm going to wet this one. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Pour a little bit of the solution onto the wet shop towel and just kind of work it in a little bit. Now I'm going to just start on this side. And if you can stay on top of this every day, your glass will stay clean the whole season. So that looks pretty good. You can see all the dirt, soot on that. I'm going to take the dry shop towel and just run it over. A little bit more coming off here. One thing you got to remember is that with this cap underneath, the first time you have to remove like a cardboard cap seal. It's very simple. Just use a knife or a fork. So here are the final glass doors without any soot at all. They look nice and clean. I'm going to shut the doors now. And apart from the ashes inside the fireplace, I'd say this glass cleaner made by Rutland did an excellent job.